I'll guide you through unlocking Chime MyPay so you can access up to $500 of your pay any day of the month without waiting for payday. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Think of MyPay as the big brother to SpotMe. While SpotMe covers you at the register for small overdrafts, MyPay is a structured line of credit that lets you pull up to $500 directly into your checking account before you even go to the store. The best part? There's no interest, no credit check, and no mandatory fees. To get started, open your Chime app and look for the MyPay tab. To be eligible, you must have an active physical Chime card and have received at least 2 qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more within the last 36 days. If you haven't hit that deposit requirement yet, you can speed up the process by adding a data source like your work email or work address during enrollment. Once you're in, you'll see 2 numbers, your credit limit, which is your max potential, and your available now amount. Your limit can grow from $20 all the way to $500 based on your deposit history and how long you've been with Chime. Your available now amount is unique. It actually grows every single day as you earn your wages, refreshing daily so you always have access to the money you've already worked for. When you need the cash, simply tap Get Money and choose your amount. You have 2 options for speed. You can get your funds within 24 hours for completely free, or if you need it right this second, you can choose the instant option for a small flat fee of $2. No matter which you choose, you'll never pay a dime in interest. Repayment is completely hands-off. When your next qualifying direct deposit hits, Chime will automatically deduct the amount you advanced. It's important to note that if you use other features, SpotMe and instant loans are repaid first before MyPay. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.